Welcome back. It is now time to brainstorm. We have an awesome question today from Rory. Rory is 7 years old from John Glenn Elementary, and Rory wants to know, how do hurricanes form? This is a really great question. So a hurricane is a really large storm that forms over warm ocean waters like the one that you see right here next to me. And it is created by moist air over the water, and it rises all the way up to form clouds. Now I know this looks like a complicated graphic, but it's actually quite simple. So once the warm air rises, it forms clouds. And then the storm will start to rotate. On the northern part of the Earth, it'll rotate counterclockwise, and in the southern hemisphere, it'll rotate clockwise. So the center of the storm is called the eye. The eye of the hurricane is really calm. However, the outside of the eye is where the storm is strongest. So as the storm moves over more and more warm water, it starts to grow and develop, and it starts to build into a pretty big storm, just like the one that you see here right next to me right now. Those happen all the time, and there's actually a way to determine how strong they are. Hurricanes can range from Category 1 to Category 5, and this is all based off of the wind speeds of the storm. So for a Category 1, we're going to see winds from 79 to 95 miles per hour, and that'll cause minimal damage, but obviously still a pretty big storm, and that will lead all the way to a Category 5 that causes catastrophic damage, wind speeds greater than 157 miles per hour. So these storms are huge, and they are very, very powerful. But once it hits land, it'll start to weaken, and it loses the fuel of the warm water, and it'll fizzle out as it moves over the land, and that'll turn into a normal storm. So if that is how a hurricane is formed, and if you have any questions about the weather, I would absolutely love to answer them. Send your questions off to weather@kq2.com. Make sure to include your first name, age, school, and a photo if you would like to. Get your parents' permission and send off those questions. Thank you again to Rory for the great question. I'll send it back to you, Reed.